In the previous session, we have learned how to create a password for entire file, which means you can't open a file without entering the password. We'll be using the same file which we used in the previous session. We'll be learning about adding password protection to Excel workbooks and only specific worksheet. First, we'll see how to protect a workbook. Usually, the worksheets often contains essential data that shouldn't be modified or removed by the recipient. Creating a password for workbook, it's not to modify any structure of the Excel format. So let me show you how to do that. First, go to review, click on review, choose protect workbook, select the structure in the protect structure and Windows dialog box. Select the structure and give the password. When applying a password to an Excel document, make sure you note the secure password since you will be unable to retrieve a forgotten password. There is an option to unprotect, but it's very difficult. So always you try to give a complicated password with alphabets, numeric and special characters. Let me give a 1 2 3 4 5 and OK, which is very simple to remember. Again, re-enter the password 1 2 3 4 5, click OK. Now if you see, you won't be able to add any new sheet or you can't delete as it's already selected in a protect workbook mode. You can just try, right click on the worksheet tab, it's all disabled. Insert, delete, rename, move or copy, hide or unhide. When you protect workbook, it applies to all other worksheets. Let me unprotect this by giving password 1 2 3 4 5. Now click on file. I will show you one more option to protect a workbook. File, protect workbook structure. Click on this. Again, it will take you to the same page. You have to follow the same steps now. Give the password 1 2 3. Just convenient. Again 1 2 3. Okay. By using this option also, we can protect complete workbook. Now let's see which is very important when you share some data with users. Excel locks. Protecting your workbook sheet means that no one can edit or format or delete the content. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, there are 4 options to protect the individual worksheet. The easiest and simplest way is by using review tab and clicking on the protect sheet, or just right click on the worksheet tab and protect sheet. Both will take you to the same page. Whichever you think easy, just you can use it. I will use review tab and protect worksheet. Enter the password you would like to use to unlock the sheet in the future. Here let me give 987. Now select the permission you would like users to have for the worksheet after it's locked. For example, you might want to allow people to format but not delete rows or columns. For now, I will show you that one in the next step. For now, I'll give it as OK. Click on OK. Re-enter the password 987. OK. It's done. If you see this one, it changed to unprotect sheet. If you try to edit something on the worksheet, you will not be able to do. That is the difference. Earlier you used workbook. Now what we have done, we have protect the worksheet. You won't be able to edit anything unless you enter the password. Let's create a new row or column. You will not get the option, all disabled. Now I will show you after you share the file with your users, they need an option only to insert a column or row. How can we do that? Just let me unprotect this first. So now again I'm trying to protect the sheet now. Let me give the password 987. You are protecting the sheet. You are allowing the users to delete columns or insert columns. You are giving only these 2 permissions. Re-enter the password 987. Okay. So now imagine you have sent the file to the users. They are trying to insert a column. They will have option insert or delete columns. Whereas if they try to insert a row, they will not have. We haven't given the permission to add or delete any rows. Now let me unprotect this. So this is the best way to protect your individual worksheet. Or you can use the same, just right click on the worksheet tab and click on the protect sheet. It also take you to the same page. The next option, click on home tab, click on the format drop down option. You will find an option to protect sheet, or click on file, protect workbook, protect current worksheet. By using this option also you can protect, it will take you to the same page. So by using these 4 options you can protect a individual worksheet. I hope it's clear. In case if you have any doubt or questions, clarification, please drop in message. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.